Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to build an affiliate marketing website using Simvoly in 2024. First, log into your Simvoly account by using the link in the description or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on My Sites and Funnels and click on the plus icon or Create a New Website to create a new website. Choose a template that suits your affiliate marketing needs. Simvoly offers a variety of templates designed for different purposes, including affiliate marketing. Once you've selected a template, give your website a title, and then you'll be taken to the website editor. Here, you can customize the design and layout of your website. Start by adding pages to your website. You'll typically want pages such as Home, About Us, Contact, and separate pages for different affiliate products or categories. You can also add widgets in your website to make it look more professional. Simvoly offers all kinds of widgets like forms, bookings, store, gallery, slider, and many more. Next, add content to your pages. This could include product reviews, blog posts, comparison charts, and any other content relevant to your affiliate niche. To add affiliate links to your website, simply highlight the text or image you want to link and click on the link icon. Paste your affiliate link into the URL field and click Apply. You can also use Simvoly's built-in elements to create affiliate banners, buttons, and call-to-action sections to promote your affiliate products effectively. Don't forget to optimize your website for search engines by adding relevant keywords to your content and meta tags. Once you're happy with the design and content of your website, preview it to see how it looks on desktop and mobile devices. Finally, publish your website to make it live on the internet. You can also connect a custom domain name if you have one. That's it. You've now created an affiliate marketing website with Simvoly. Keep updating your content regularly and promoting your website to drive traffic and increase affiliate sales. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Simvoly for free.